Hello everyone, myself Mr. Jangle Sanket Surendra, lecturer from Mola Rural Institute of Pharmacy, Sonai. Today we will discuss the chapter First Aid Part 3. Learning objectives. In this chapter, first of all, we have seen the definition of first aid kit, and types of first aid, the first aid treatment given in accidents, shock, snake bite, burns and scars, poisoning, fractures, heart diseases, etc. Now, in this lecture, we are going to study the cardiopulmonary resuscitation and artificial methods of respiration and various elements of minor surgery and dressings. Now, starting with the cardiopulmonary resuscitation, which is also in short, it's called as the CPR. Generally, when the person becomes unconscious, we put water on his mouth. But this is very dangerous that water may enter into lungs and death of patient may take place due to the choking of respiratory passage. Difficulty in breathing may be due to asphyxia. In this, lungs do not get sufficient oxygen. Brain cell cannot live for more than 4 minutes without oxygen. Drowning, electric shock, and gas poisoning are the three most common accidents which results in this disease. Asphyxia may occur from choking, hanging, burial under earth, grains, etc., or entering in burning building. Excessive use of alcohol, drugs may also stop breathing. Respiratory disease may also lead to the asphyxia. CPR consists of artificial respiration and artificial circulation. Cardiac attack may develop due to heart attack, electric shock, suffocation, choking, etc. As soon as heart stops breathing and beating also stops. Person is also considered dead, but vital centers of CNS remains viable for 4 to 6 minutes or more. If during this period CPR is given, life of victim may be revived. CPR can be performed under following steps: clearance of airway, artificial breathing, and cardiac massage. Now we will start with the first, airway clearance and artificial breathing. First one is the airway clearance, in which victim's mouth is open and cleaned by a clean cloth by first aider to remove debris, impurities, or secretions so as to prevent blocking airway. Second, now the head position of victim is changed so that airway is not blocked by tongue fall back. Third one, crowd surrounded, victim is removed and ventilation for fresh air is increased. Keep patient in a position with chin facing upward by lifting neck and push forehead backwards. Second one, artificial breathing. Various methods are used for the artificial breathing. In that, the first one is the mouth to mouth resuscitation, which is also called as the kiss of life. Kiss of life for artificial respiration is the part of cardiopulmonary resuscitation by ABC formula. As first one, before giving kiss of life, that is artificial respiration by mouth to mouth way, victim's mouth is open and clean thoroughly. This removes debris, impurities, secretions from patient mouths and prevents blocking of airway. The first aider should pinch the nose of the patient tightly by one hand and by tightly sealing mouth on patient's open mouth. Breathe out, enter air forcefully into mouth of patient. Third one, expansion of chest of patient by 2 to 5 cm occurs, confirming air entering into the lungs of victim. This should be observed. Such artificial mouth-to-mouth respiration should be given 12 times per minute. Second one, mouth to nose respiration. If mouth to mouth respiration is not possible, then this method is used. In this case, mouth is closed by first aid palm. The rest of procedure is same as in the case of mouth to mouth respiration. Here you can see the mouth to mouth respiration or the kiss of life. How the first aider is blowing air into the mouth of the victim by closing the nostrils. Artificial breathing. Here you can see the diagram of artificial breathing, how the first aid treatment is given. It is used for chest pressure arm lift method. Here you can see first point, make sure the airway is clear and remove any obstructing materials. Second one, place one hand under his neck, lift up on neck and partially tilt the head back. Pull his chin upward, place your mouth firmly over the victim's open mouth, pinch his nostrils shut and blow hard enough to make his chest rise. Fourth step, check neck of the pulse. And fifth one, apply cardiopulmonary resuscitation. Repeat the procedure until the victim begins to breathe. Now, starting with the another two methods of this artificial breathing and respiration, chest pressure arm lift method and back pressure arm lift method. Now, first we will see the chest pressure arm lift method. This method is also called as the Sylvester method. In this method, first point, place the victim on his back, insert the support under his shoulder to raise them and allow his head to drop backward. Kneel at victim's head, grasp his wrist, cross them over the lower chest part. The pressure should cause the air to flow out from the victim's nose and mouth. Third step, immediately pull the arm outward and upward over his head and backward as far as possible. This should cause the inspiration. Repeat the whole cycle about 12 times a minute. If another rescuer is available, ask him to hold victim's head so that jaw is jutting out. Any content of the mouth should be removed to keep the mouth as clean as possible at all times. Another method, back pressure arm lift method. This method is also called as the Holger Nelson method. In this method, first point, place the victim's face down with one hand on other and head tilted on a side. Kneel at victim's head and place your hand on his back so that palms are by shoulder level. Move forward to exert steady even pressure by your hands. Immediately pull arms of victim upward towards your until you feel tension at his shoulders. Lower the arm and repeat complete procedure about 12 times in a minute. If two persons are giving first aid, second person can keep victim's head tilted aside, jaw is jutting out. Mouth of victim should be cleaned prior to such first aider to give during while also. Now, cardiopulmonary resuscitation. CPR is most important life-saving first aid procedure in patient whose spontaneous respiration has stopped and or pulse is absent. It is given by the ABC formula. A stands for airway clearance, B stands for breathing, and C stands for circulation or cardiac massage. Now, first one is the airway clearance. Victim's mouth is open and clean. Now, head of the victim is changed so as the airway is not blocked by tongue fall back. Crowd surrounded victim is removed and ventilation for fresh air is increased. Keep patient in a position with chin facing upward by lifting neck and push forehead backwards. Second one, breathing. If breathing is stopped, mouth to mouth respiration, that is artificial respiration, is given after cleaning mouth. First aider should pinch the nose, means this method is of the mouth to mouth respiration should be given. Third one, circulation or cardiac massage. If patient's pulse is missing, to revive heart, working chest massage is given. It is performed by pressing hard with bottom hands on victim's chest, two fingers above the lower end of sternum. First aider should exert pressure by heel of hands, keeping hands exactly perpendicular to patient's chest, that is area of compression. Pressure applied should be sufficient so that chest gate passed by 1.5 to 4 cm. Such chest massage is given 60 to 80 times per minute continuously. Here you can see the steps ABC. It is CPR is as easy as CAB. CAB. C means compressions, A means airway, and B means breathing. Now, starting with the elements of minor surgery and dressings. The elements of minor surgery and dressings includes mainly common surgical instruments, glass and plastic instruments, rubber instruments, sutures and ligatures with suturing needles, dressings. First of all, the elements of minor surgery and dressings means those equipments or substances which are used for the minor surgery and dressings are called as the elements of minor surgery and dressings. First one, common surgical instruments, which includes towel clips, forceps, scissors, scalpels, needles, needle holder, etc. Glass and plastic instruments, it consists of the different types of syringe, rubber and PVC, which includes surgical gloves, urinary catheters, Ryle's tube, etc. Sutures and ligatures are any material which is used to sew or stitch together tissues until healing occurs. This can be the absorbable or non-absorbable. Dressings, it is term applied to wide range of material used for dressing of wounds and includes different types of bandages, adhesive tapes. There are different antiseptics commonly used as lotion, tinctures, iodine, etc. First aid for corrosive acids, alkalis, intestinal sleeping tablets is as follows. For corrosive acids, do not induce vomiting, give plenty by fluids, try to evacuate at the earliest. Corrosive alkalis, do not induce vomiting, give plenty of fluids. Intestinal, insecticidal, take a patient out of room for a fresh air, avoid crowding, loose the cloths, do the aspiration if possible, give artificial respiration if needed. Sleeping tablets, induce vomiting of the patient is conscious, give plenty of oral fluids, try to keep patient awake, give stimulant drinks like coffee or tea. Here you can see the elements of minor surgery and dressings. Here we are ending with the chapter first aid. Hope you understand it. Thank you. Thank you very much.